boys and girls. My name is Lynn and welcome to Amphitheatre for High Flyers. Thank you. Now this morning we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. So we hope you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for all of our friends across the world. So speaking of better friends, I'm sure you saw some of them running across the stage, right? Well, those were our bantam chickens. Now with that everyone, we have one more chicken joining us. So keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Charlie, our bantam rooster. Charlie! Do you see him? Okay, let's just, oh there he is! And there you go! Good job! Now many of you might think that chickens here cannot fly, but Charlie, he has proven otherwise, okay? So right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits and nuts. So if you look right up there, we have some fruits and nuts attached to the tree. With that everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's all welcome the birds. There you go. Now this is Gaia, our high-state macaw. One more friend will be joining him from way up there. Once again, Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them can be found in jungles of South America. So going back to Gaia, Gaia here is one of the 4 blue macaw species you can find in the world. Right here in the bird park, we have 3 of them. So do catch them at the parrot paradise. Now right after feasting, what these birds will do is they will go to rocky areas just like this to lick up on clay or chalk, and this will help them with digestions of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Okay, so it looks like Gaia is still right up here. Okay, not to worry, this will definitely be his next stop. Hey, hi Azza, what do we have here?
Okay, this everyone is Ippy, a scarlet macaw. Now he is Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. And that's because Ippy is so environmentally conscious that he will only use reusable cups, containers and utensils.
Okay.
You look confused. Okay, let me give you an example. Lynn, let's say you are a drink seller.
Wow, nice hat.
Now if you give Ippy a plastic cup to drink from, he will not use that cup.
A plastic cup?
Yes.
Just like this?
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is a single-use, disposable plastic cup. Okay, watch. Ippy, Lynn has given you this cup to drink from.
Look at that, he's returning me the cup!
That's because Ippy will not use single-use plastic. So let's say you give him a reusable cup this time, but it has a plastic straw. He will not use that straw.
Are you sure, Azza?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I think I have something like that. I have something like that. Look at this.
You don't believe me, yeah? Okay. Everyone look, Ippy, cup with a plastic straw. What now?
Wow, look at that! He's returning me the straw as well!
So how is he going to drink without a straw? Everyone look, look, look. Watch this. Good job. He drinks straight from the cup. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, plastic has invaded our waters to such an extent that by the year 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans. In fact, plastic is known to kill more than 1 million animals and fish every single year. That is why plastic is the deadliest monster in our oceans.
Oh no, Asa, that is a really alarming rate. Now we cannot fight these deadliest monsters by reducing the use of single-use plastics. Just like Ippy, we can refuse the use of straws and bring our own reusable cups and containers when we buy takeaway food or drinks. Now when we go shopping, okay, instead of using a plastic bag, let's all bring our own reusable bag instead, okay?
Good idea. Look, I also brought my own bag. Come, you can
No. Asa, no, this is a single-use plastic bag. Remember the reusable bag I was talking about? I have something like this.
Okay,
you can keep that.
use your reusable bag.
And you put in the hat, and there you go. Can we give Asa and Ippy a big hand? Asa.
Yes.
Don't forget to reuse it. Thank you. Now for the next act, we will be joined by Toko Toucan. So during this time, I need everyone to remain seated at all times. Do not reach out and try to touch the birds, okay? This is for your safety and the safety of our birds as well. And for those of you taking pictures or videos, kindly turn off your flashes because these bright lights, they may startle the birds or even harm their eyesight, alright? And then it looks like our first volunteer is in position. Everyone keep your eyes at that hut. Wow, look at that, I see one already. By the way, we have two of them this morning. There you go. Now these are Toko toucans. They are the largest in the toucan family. So everyone, look at the size of their beaks. Now despite the size, their beaks are very lightweight and hollow, and they can even catch insects in mid-flight without even stopping. Okay, so once again, I need everyone to remain seated. Please sit down. Thank you very much. Now our toucans will be making their way to our second volunteer. There they go. So to demonstrate how agile they are, Mitra, she will be tossing 2 pieces of food way up high. Let us see if the toucans can catch them, okay? So let's just make way for Mitra. Now everyone get your cameras and your video cameras ready. Alright, Mitra, are you ready? Okay, let's just give her some time, okay? Alright, there you go. 1, 2, and 3. Whoa, good catch! For the other toucan, let's all come together, okay? Everyone ready? Come on, let's count. 1, 2. And there you go. Another great catch by our Toko toucan. Good job, guys. Now it's very lucky for us to see these birds up close, but their numbers in the wild are declining due to poaching and deforestation. Okay, so if you can, please support your local conservation efforts. Now I haven't introduced them yet. These two, they are Mr. and Mrs. Axel, a husband and wife team. So they have done a wonderful job this morning, and it's time for them to head back home. Now they are very loyal to one another. So what I will do is I'll place them on the stump right here. There you go, guys. Okay, Mrs. Axel, can you please lead the way? Home is that way. Mr. Axel, you follow. Our Toko toucans, everyone. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. Now, the yellow-necked Amazon parrot right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? Right. So let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? Hello. There you go. Very nice and sweet hello. Can you tell them your name? Amigo. One more time your name. Amigo. Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? So how are you feeling this morning? Good? Excellent. But not only that, Amigo here is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Big John, our Sulphur-crested cockatoo. He is a veteran here at the bird show, and John is over 50 years old. Yes. Okay, John, you want to say something nice to everyone? Hi. You want to say hello? Say hello. Come on. Okay. You just came up. You can't say bye-bye. Let's try this one more time. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. It's okay. I'll hold the microphone for you. Say hello. That was his cough right there, okay? Alright, looks like he's not going to say hello. We're going to leave him right here first, and then we will continue with Amigo, okay? So you heard Amigo counting English earlier. This time he's going to count in Chinese. Good job, Amigo. Okay, now let's go back to Big John. He can copy a few sounds. Okay, so let's try the hello one more time. You want to say hello? Say hello. Bye-bye. He keeps wanting to say bye-bye. Okay, can we hear the cough one more time? How do you cough? Cough. How do you cough? Cough. Okay, we just want to do it one time. Okay, let's try another one. How about the chicken? Chicken. How do you do the chicken? No? Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, Big John here is over 50 years old, and throughout the years, he has only managed to pick up 5 mimics. There's the hello, the laugh, the cough, the chicken, and bye-bye. Okay, so looks like he's not going to say anything. We're going to leave him down here. I'm going to continue with Amigo, okay? Alright, so Amigo here loves to sing as well, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song, a local children's song called Current Life, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Now this is his scream, okay? Now did I mention that birds like Big John here, they love to scream their heads off as well? They can disturb your sleep and even your neighbors, okay? Big John, if you want to stay out here, you're going to be quiet, okay? Shh. Thank you. Okay, so you heard Amigo count in Chinese. This time he's going to count in, no, not counting, he's going to sing. Okay, the second song he's going to sing originated from Indonesia, called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. This time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang?
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat saudara sayang, sayang.
Birthday today. Raise your hands if it's a birthday. Let's start from the people on this side. Is it your birthday, Big John? That's why you're screaming? Okay, one more time you scream, I'm gonna send you back home, okay? Alright, anyone from this side celebrating your birthday? Okay, we have one. Your friends just arrowed you, okay? Don't worry, I won't ask you your age. Okay, we have one. Anyone else? 2 all the way up there. How about the middle section? Birthdays? 3. Anyone else? 4. Okay, how about the last section? Where? Okay, 5. You don't have to be shy, okay? 5. Anyone else? Okay, so 6. Okay, so for the 6 of you, Amigo, can you sing for them, please?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 6 of you. Thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Bird Park. Now, Amigo here, he is 1 in a million. It takes a lot of years and dedication to do what he just did earlier. Now, imagine the disappointment parrot owners would face if they were to end up with a bird like Big John, who is either very quiet or extremely loud, okay? Now it's time for these two birds to head back home, but before that, Big John, you want to say bye-bye now? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No? Okay, amigo, you say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There you go. Thank you very much, Big John and amigo. Wow, okay. I think that's his way of saying goodbye to everyone, okay? Alright, so let me emphasize this once again, that these birds, they are very, very hard to upkeep, and some of them are even known to live as long as you and I. These birds, they can live up to 80 years old, so please do think twice, if not even thrice, before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? The next two birds coming up, they are going to show all of you just how loving hornbills can be. So everyone keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Morning, Vicky. Now great pied hornbills like Vicky here, they can be found in Asia. So when the female wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees, and then right up there is our nest box, which is similar to what we give the hornbills right here in the bird park. Now I will be coming very close to you. Please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? Can you hear that? Now that's how great pied hornbills vocalize, okay? Okay, once again, please turn off your flashes from your cameras. And for those of you standing up, please remain seated, okay? Okay, so Vicky is going to inspect the nest box in a very short while. Vicky, are you ready? Come on. There she goes. Vicky, your nest box is to your right. Can you hop along, please? There you go. Look at that very cute hop. So what Vicky is doing right now is she's inspecting the nest box. And only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. There you go. Now once inside, the female will seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. Now the hole, it will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Okay, Vicky, you can seal the nest now. There you go, Vicky, are you still inside? And there she is. Now everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome Sunny, another great pied hornbill, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. Now the breeding behaviors of hornbills in the wild are very similar. The male will feed the female and the chicks inside the nest for about 3 to 4 months, after which mother and child will leave the nest. Now the Jurong Bird Park is successful in breeding the oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes, just like that one right there. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released them back into the wild, as well as right here in the bird park. So do keep your eyes wide open for them while walking around the park. Oh, hi Azza! Azza's here to call Sunny down, okay? Let's just give him some time. Looks like he's still enjoying himself right up there. Okay, Sunny, are you ready? Azza's waiting, look at that! Wow! Can we see Azza? Let's try this one more time. And there you go, hornbills everyone! Wow, very nice music. Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird slide. So if you'd like to volunteer, raise up your hands. Get the trainer's attention right up there, and they might just pick you, okay? So on my left, we have Howard. In the center, Salina. To my right, we have Joe. So get their attention, okay? So on my head, I have Vega, the scarlet macaw. In a very short while, we will be joined by Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw. So look at their wings as they fly past you. This allows them to swoop through branches and trees in the rainforests of South America. Unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at the rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. Now we can all help these beautiful birds by practicing the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, And most importantly, let's all help replant our destroyed rainforest. Okay, so once again, just a gentle reminder, if you are not holding onto the hoop, please remain seated at all times. Okay, the family coming down, quickly take your seats please. Thank you very much. Let's just wait for them to settle down first. Okay, looks like all our volunteers are ready. Kaya will take off first. Off first, Kaya. And there you go, beautiful flight by Kaya and Vega. Now we need 3 more volunteers, so with powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers and really sharp eyesight, this helps them maneuver in the dense vegetation of the rainforest, okay? So this time, both birds will be taking off from 2 different ends of the stage and hopefully meet each other's flight path somewhere in that center hoop. So center volunteer, you gotta keep your hoop straight and steady. Okay, just a little bit higher. There you go. Volunteers ready? Is Kaya ready? A little bit higher? It's okay? Okay. Are we good to go? Alright, ready? Go! Vega, what happened there? Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. We're gonna release the birds together, okay? Alright, let's do this one more time. Vega has to fly through all the hoops, okay? Alright. Okay, ready? Okay, ready, go! And there you go! That was a beautiful flight. Thank you very much, Mitra and Kaya. Thank you! Good job, Vega! Now, as you can see, Vega is still here on my hand because he has one final flight to do, okay? Salina, what are you doing to the hoop? You're making it smaller. Wow. Okay, Vega will fly through that. Even smaller. Okay, are you sure? Okay, she's very confident, okay, because macaws, they have streamlined bodies which allows them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers or predators. Okay, so once again, I need everyone to remain seated. Please sit down. Okay, I need the lady right there in the black shirt to take her seat. Hi, ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay, some final adjustments for our center volunteer. Now, everyone. Vega needs to focus. Are you ready, Vega? And up he goes. One, two, look at that! Vega has done it! Can we give Vega a round of applause, everyone? Good job, Vega. I will see you later after the picture. Bye! For the next act, we will be joined by more birds and birds. They gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. So this morning we will have a little competition and they will need supporters. Okay, so people on this side, you will be supporting Corky, our scarlet macaw. I need all of you to clap your hands, come on, and shout his name. Just like this. Corky, Corky, come on. Louder. Star Ada says good, okay? Now the rest of you on this side, you will be supporting Barry, our green-winged macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name. Barry, 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 Barry. And moving to the swell, our birds to the table. So birds, they gather food in tree hollows, just like the one I have right here. Okay, so we have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Alright, supporters ready? Birds are ready, let's go! There you go, but tell me who's the winner! Barry! second chance, okay? So we have 4 points for Cocky, 4 points for Berry, okay? Alright, now Cocky supporters, come on guys, you have to cheer louder. Ready, go! Okay? Now we have a draw this morning, and I think both these girls have done a fantastic job. Thank you very much, Cocky and Berry. I'll play full applause. Now, in a very short while, we will be having our grand finale. So I'm pretty sure the birds in this show, they have amazed you, and some may have even made you laugh as well. But please do not forget all of the conservation champions that you have met today. Now you and I can help these beautiful birds by choosing that the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled materials so that less of their forest homes will be destroyed. Now you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy, so let's all make the right choice and make a difference for all our little friends today. Wow, looks like we're all set to go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage, so let's get started. First up to Africa, we have a great white pelican. Next up to Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. Come on, guys! Now, back to Africa, birds with their sexy long legs. Supermodels on the wall are greater flamingos. And finally, all the way from South America, let's welcome our colorful vocals from up there and there. And there you have it, everyone, our grand finale of birds. Can we give them a big hand? Now with that, we have come to the end of the show. So if you'd like to bring home fond memories of the show, my colleague up there is selling plush toys, going at a special price, only here at Amphitheatre, so do check them out later. Now for those of you who missed the 10 a.m. Kings of the Sky show, there will be another show at 12 p.m. happening at the Hawk Arena, okay? Now by the way, to enjoy the rest of the park,